Welcome to Harper's Playhouse. Today we're doing the Welcome Creative Set.
The Welcome Creative Set. It's a magic fort. It's a creative building set, and it's ages 3 and up, 155 pieces. So you can build your magic forts any way you want. No rhyme, no reason. You build it how you want, and that's just the way it is. Yep. So then you throw a blanket on it. We'll see how well this works with all that. So hang tight. Let's unbox this, and we'll
Rip it the box.
all right, check this out. And what you do is you're going to pop these things inside the balls, and there's so many designs you could do. Okay, so you could build all these different designs. Oh, hold on one second, baby. And then you put the blanket over, and then you have a blanket fort. Hence, if you look at this picture right there, there's your blanket. So, we have a lot of building, huh, Harps? You ready to build? Anything in particular you want to build? Then it comes with this little handy dandy storage bag afterwards. So, all right, let's figure this out. All right, look at you go. So we got the big square. This is pretty neat. I think it's gonna work with a blanket on top. Harper's, oh, she did break that. Remember, those things are like lasers, so you can't touch them. Try not to touch them. Uh-oh. Come on through. There you go. Don't touch the blue or you're gonna get shocked. All right, first step done. It's a real bug they got in here.
Look at these sharp pictures.
Okay, but we made some progress. We just gotta put the roof on and then we'll make a tent. We got in the house, huh? That time of the season. All the bugs you're trying to find come out and you're crazy. Okay, and one extra little bonus feature, you get these little battery pack lights that you can stick inside. So let's go ahead and fill these up with some batteries, and there she goes. She's going in. Okie dokie, we got the batteries in there, the lights are on, really cute and pretty. Do you want to take those in there with you? Decorate? Inside. You want light inside your dark house of doom. What? Look at that, that's so cool. There's a lot of room in there for you, huh? You can make it bigger. No rhyme or reason. Make it however you want. There's instructions to make certain ones. All right, pretty cool. Say thanks for watching. Well, you know what? I'm gonna turn off the light so it gets a little darker. Hold on. I'm gonna turn that switch off. Whoa! It's a tortilla fort. Oh, it looks like a rusted old car in a way. It does.
Is it cool in the dark? You like that?
Oh, I'm kind of looking in there real quick. Oh, you can come out that way. Wow, this is pretty cool. I might take a nap in there.
The tortilla blocks.
It does. Come on, watch. This looks like rust marks right there.
Yeah.
Let's see if you come over here and you stand up. It looks like a little rider car.
Yeah.